How to add Google search bar on iPhone home screen. So right now here you can see I'm on my home screen. So all you need to do is long press on the blank space just like this. Then you'll get edit option. Simply tap on that one. Then you can see add widget. Tap on it. And in here you can now scroll down and search for Google search bar. If not, you can simply tap on this search widget search bar and simply search for Google in here. Just like this, Google has shown here, tap on that one. And here you can see it has two different widgets. If you swipe to left, we have our search bar right here. All you need to do is tap on add widget. And just like this, the widget has been appeared. If you want to drag this to up, you can simply do that. Just like that. And when you're done, simply tap on done. And like that, you'll be able to add Google search bar to your iPhone home screen. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.